Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. I'm filming a little intro number 2 just in case I have to split this epic thrifting day video into 2. I went to the Goodwill all this morning. I was there for 2 hours. I spent $82 and I got some great stuff. Now I'm heading over to the Salvation Army. This is a rare thing for me. If you follow my journey of reselling as a part-timer here on YouTube, you know I do not get to the thrift stores very often at all. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I'm very busy. I have a 10-year-old son. Busy mama like most of us. But today I ended up with a clear schedule, which is such a treat. So I'm having like a thrifting marathon. So I'm going to take you to the Salvation Army. They get a lot of their inventory from San Francisco. So they usually have good stuff. It's a little pricey as far as thrift stores go, but I usually find some really great stuff. So I'll see you in the Salvation Army. Okay friends, the first place I go this time of year is the dress section. Dresses at this Salvation Army are $7.99. Here is some of what I picked out. You'll see more of this in the haul at the end of the video, but this was a new with tag Vineyard Vines dress. It's a fit and flare. Next up, we have an Athleta dress, and I believe this is in a size XL. Looks sort of weird here because it's a halter dress, so it ties around the neck. But these athletic dresses can sell very well for me in the spring and summer. I just sold one for $39.99. It does have a couple little surface spots, so I'm doing the yucky fingernail test to see if I can wash it out easily. Here's something I passed on that I want to share with you. This is a Free People dress, my favorite brand and my best-selling brand on Poshmark, but this is a really dated piece. The tag looked older and it wasn't a current style. So even though it's my favorite brand and my bestseller, I did pass on this. We were talking about what sells best on the Free People brand on my Friday Live at 5 Reseller Community Night video. You should join us sometime. It's 5 p.m. Pacific time each Friday. This is a gorgeous 100% linen dress. Great bohemian kind of lagging look piece. The brand is Per Una. It's actually a UK brand, Marks and Spencer's. Please let me know what you think of these haul right in the thrift store videos. I've been doing this lately and I'd love to get your feedback on it. This is one of my absolute favorite finds. This is a new with tag J. Crew pleated dress. When we do the haul at the end of the video, I will show you a stock photo. I listed this, I believe, for $79.99. And this one, very similar J. Crew dress. Look at this. The color on this is flamingo pink. It's like a neon pink with pleats and ruffles. So great for any occasion this summer. I just thought I did pretty well for my very first section of the store. This is a Portuguese brand called Copine. Look at that, beautiful. Next, I went over to the pants section. You can see I already have a full cart. This is a pair of pants I had to pass on. Unfortunately, I like selling this brand, Hot Cotton by Mark Ware. And these were 100% linen with a leopard print. I could have sold those for probably $35, but they had too much wear. I also passed on these, even though they're excellent brands to keep your eye out for, Bowden and XCVI, but pants were $6.99, I believe, and great brand, but a little bit plain within the brand. I did take a stroll through the hard goods, and I'm so glad I did. These Italian linen tea towels should sell for around $100. I always look through the ceramics. I collect pottery, but I do not need any more, so stop me from buying anything. I love the simplicity of this. This is a Target brand, which I really like, Hearth and Hand, but Goodwill wanted, I'm sorry, it's not Goodwill, it's Salvation Army, and they wanted $5.99. This piece was $3.99. I just thought that was a little overpriced, but I liked them both. Some sweet little dishes, only 99 cents on those. I loved the shape and color of this dish, but it was pretty modern and they wanted $5.99. This was the perfect score. This is Polish pottery made in Poland, and it sells very well. It's quite beautiful. Even though these were pretty expensive, I bought them because I think I can make some money on them. I don't sell a lot of hard goods. I would like to, so I'm gonna try and move into that market a little bit more. Okay, let's do another in-store haul. I passed on these men's pants. They were Carly something, a San Francisco designer. I could not find any information about them. These are a Bolo brand. To keep your eye out for Beta brand. And these were a 2XL. I would have loved to buy these, but I found damage on the hems. I've sold these pre-owned for $40 or $45 on eBay or Poshmark. Always do your quality control. It is so important. You don't want to take things home and then find flaws and the item has lost so much value. These were another brand that I could not find info. They were a men's kind of activewear pants. The tag on them said Rones or Rhodes. I checked the activewear men's pants because I have found some major bolos, San Francisco style urban wear at this particular store, but there's that name Rones. I just couldn't find enough info. I do plan to have everything listed that you see in this haul, so my Poshmark closet and eBay store will be linked in the description below. These are Giorgio Armani, which is a designer, but it's not a designer that sells that well, but I did pick those up because those were such a unique pair of pants. Everlane I almost always pick up regardless of style or size. It is such a good seller. These are some women's kind of like lightweight blue denim. I don't have those listed yet because they just needed a little wash. No stains or anything, but just a freshen up. Some Champion Mama walking shorts for me. Shorts were $6, pants were $7.99, dresses were $7.99. I passed on these adorable shorts just because the wear was so bad on them. This was interesting, Hackman. Leave it in the comments if you know anything about this. I couldn't find anything about it. It was shapewear. This I did buy, HD in Paris for Anthropology. This is a women's size 8. I love the crochet, lightweight, perfect swim cover-up or dress. Had a little spot on it, so I went back and forth, but I thought I could get that spot out. When I was listing it, I also did find a little of the crochet is torn on the hem, which is such a bummer, but it happens to all of us. It happens when I get mystery boxes with pre-owned stuff. It's just part of it. This was a cute little linen shift dress, but I did pass on it because I could not find enough info on that particular brand. Here's that beautiful Portuguese copine dress. I did buy that. You saw that in the dress haul earlier. And that Vineyard Vine dress with a $145 price tag on. I'll be popping up photos, stock photos, if I found them. So listen for that little click sound. Here's that Una dress per Una. I bought it especially because it was plus size 18, but then when I was doing my research, An 18 in UK size is really like a women's large. So I noted that in the listing, and it looked like a lot of the people buying it, it was going internationally and they were paying up for shipping. So I think a lot of people in Australia and the UK like that brand. Here's that Athleta dress, which I did buy, and that's also in the wash. It just had a little surface wear on it. Please take a minute to make sure you are subscribed to the channel and that you've hit the thumbs up to like this video. That lets YouTube know, hey, we love thrifting videos. We love reselling videos. Here's this gorgeous, happy yellow pleated dress. I'll put up a stock photo for you to see. It looks so pretty in the pictures. I listed this one for $79.99 with shipping on eBay and Poshmark. And then this, it has to be donated by the same woman. It's such a similar style. Pink, feminine, pleated skirt with a tie waist, lots of ruffles. I listed this one for $59.99 on eBay and Poshmark. I did also want to show you a couple things that didn't make it in the video that I picked up in my last kind of run through at the store. This is a Champion sweatshirt, but this is what is called the reverse weave. It's a thicker, heavier knit. I'm not sure the vintage on this one, but I just recently saw someone's post on Instagram about this reverse weave being really popular, and it does sell for more. I think everybody loves thrifting and seeing this logo. This is the Lululemon logo, higher end fitness, and this is one of these, I think it's called the Wild Tank or something. It's all open back, and then the sports bra is all exposed. I don't pick up all Lululemon tops because they just don't sell as well as I think they should. The leggings do really well for me in the brand though. I'll have to check comps on this one, but this since this is kind of a fancier tank, I think I'll be able to get at least 25. I got this Ted Baker London women's top. They do some type of vanity sizing of 5, I want to say is an XL, but I'll look it up before I list it. This is a gorgeous tank top. It's in a blush pink, and the entire back is lace. This brand is very expensive retail. It's sold at places like Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's. It's not a brand that generally sells quickly for me, but it does tend to bring in a pretty good profit. I just have to kind of be patient. But I think with this being blush pink, a tank top, lace, a big size, it should do pretty well for the spring, summer. This is one of my favorite brands to pick up. The brand is Marine Layer. They make men's and women's. Every time I find it, it sells really fast. I've sold men's graphic t-shirts for $35 pre-owned. This is just a soft women's flannel by the brand. They do some like eco-friendly stuff. Just a very popular brand. I was just going to show you this little interior tag. It says Marine Layer, responsibly made in China by adults. So there you go. Definitely keep your eye out for this brand and look it up. And I just wanted to show you this pillow I got in a little more detail. You can see, I think it's all hand knit. It's got this beautiful floral print on it. And here's the brand, Christine Foley, and it's a Bolo brand in that she makes sweaters, these crazy knit sweaters with cats or colorful patchwork prints. And if you find those, they look like they were selling upwards of $50 pre-owned on eBay. And I did pay $5.99. I think I'm going to be keeping that. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Let me know if you like this format of video where it's all in the store. And I'll see you in my next video, which might be live on Friday nights. It could be an unboxing video, a Thredup unboxing, or a wholesale box, or another thrift haul. See you soon.